Let's organize our thoughts. Find the equation of the line. To find the equation of the line, we need two things. One, the slope of the line. Two, a point on the line. I need the slope and I need a point. I need two things. So that says I don't have either at the moment. I don't have the slope of the tangent. I don't have a point on the I don't have a point on that graph. Now the point is easy to get because the point we're being told is at x equals 4. And if x equals 4, I know that y is, here's my function, is 4 cubed plus the square root of 4, which is 64 plus 2, or 68. I now have the point that I'm 66. That was close. I don't know what made me. I'm only off by 2. What in the world made me say 68 is beyond me? I don't know.
And you corrected it.
I don't know. 4. And just think, this is the one that goes up. I don't video any other hour if I can get it done here. This is good. This is good enough. You can see my mistakes. Reach a point in time, like there's a bunch of stuff in between I'm going to have to do by myself if I want videos of it. So I have my point. What I don't have is my slope. That's the thing I need to go after. Now the slope, we're looking for the slope of the tangent line. Now that means I need to take the derivative and evaluate it at 4. The slope of the tangent is f prime of x. At x equal -4, the slope that I'm looking for will be f prime of, not -4, of +4. That's going to give me my slope that I need to find the equation of the line. So the first thing I do is I need to find f prime of x. So that f of x, let's do it this way. F of x is x cubed plus the square root of x. The square root of x is x to what power? 1/2. So that's the original function. We've got a point on that function. We need to find the slope of the line at x equals 4 to that function. So that's f prime of x is 3x squared plus 1/2 x to the 1/2 minus 1, or f prime of x equals 3x squared plus 1/2 x to the -1/2. Anytime I'm going to have to evaluate something and I've got negative exponents, I need to put everybody where they belong. And this x belongs down in the denominator. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to simplify so that f prime of x is going to be 3x squared plus 1/2 times 1 over x to the 1/2, which is 3x squared plus 1 over 2. What's x to the 1/2? Square root of x. That's going to make me easier for me to do the evaluation. So I need f prime of 4. That's the slope of the tangent line at x equal 4. Well, f prime of 4 is 3 times 4 squared plus 1 over 2 times 4 square root which is 3 times 16 plus 1 over 2 times 2, which is 4, which is 48 plus 1/4 and I'm going to take the easy way out, 48 and 1/4. Now I could go through and change that to an improper fraction if I wanted to. I don't want to.
Or you could use a decimal.
Oh, I could use a decimal. Yes, I didn't.
48.25.
I didn't think about that. My little puny brain didn't compute. Well, let's see. I need to find now the equation of the line. So I know the slope of the tangent in this case is 48, and we'll make it a decimal, 0.25. A point is 466. And now I can find the equation of the line. Y minus 66 equals 48.25 times x minus 4. And they didn't tell me I had to write it in a specific way, so I will quit while I'm ahead. Otherwise, me and my calculator would be working overtime. I'd multiply it out. Well, what I do? Multiply through by 48.25, and then bring the 66 over, and then I could put it in slope-intercept form. But that's not what they told me to do. It says find the equation of the line that is tangent to the graph. That's this guy. The important thing to me is that that's the rate of change at that instant in time. That when cop pulled the trigger on the radar gun, you were going 48.25 miles per hour.